today's video, we are going to explore the powerful Python library called Pandas and learn how to install it. If you are new to data manipulation or data analysis, or you want to enhance your skills, you have come to the right place. So let's dive into the world of Pandas. What is Pandas and how to install it? Before we dive into the installation process, let's understand what Pandas is and why it is so popular among data scientists and data analysts. Pandas is an open source Python library specifically designed for data manipulation and data analysis. It provides easy to use data structures and data analysis tools, making it indispensable tool in the field of data science. With Pandas, you can work with different type of data including structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. It also simplifies data cleaning, data transformation, and data exploration, enabling you to extract valuable insights from your datasets. Pandas also integrates seamlessly with other Python libraries such as NumPy and Matplotlib, allowing you to perform advanced data analysis, data visualization, and data modeling. Now that we have a basic understanding of Pandas, let's move on to the installation process. To install Pandas, we will use pip, a package manager for Python. Open up your terminal like this. Make sure that you open Anaconda prompt. Now type pip install Pandas and enter. This process this process may take a few moments depending on your computer's processing speed and internet connection. Since I have already installed Pandas, so it is showing that requirement already satisfied. Once the installation is complete, you can start using Pandas. In your code editor, type import Pandas with following line of code. Now, Pandas allow us to work with the tabular data such as CSV files or Excel spreadsheets. Here is an example of importing CSV file into a Pandas data frame, which is similar to a table in database. This is how you load a CSV file into Pandas data frame using pd.read_csv. This is an example of it, and we can as we can see that like here we have imported our CSV file into a data frame called df. Df is a instance of the data frame, and it is a name. So df.head prints first 5 lines with like all the columns, and with df.tail what we print that it is the last five rows with all the columns in the data frame available. So and by like a df.columns we can print the number of all the columns that are available in our data frame, that is like symboling, normalized losses, make, fuel type, expiration, number of doors, and etc etc. And by df.describe we can find out like what is the number of rows that are available in our data frame, and what is the mean of that one column, and what is the standard deviation, what is the minimum value that is available in that column, and what is 25% percentile, 50 percentile, and 75 percentile, and what is the max value that is available in that column. And df.info prints the like data types, and if that is null or non-null, and how many of them are null values, and these are the all information that is printed using df.info. And to if we want to like print the data type of all the features that are available in the data set, then we can print it using df.dtypes. Then we can see that unnamed that is int64, symboling is int64, and fuel type is something like a object, that is a categorical variable or text variable, number of doors that is in object, but we when we do the pre-processing part we can convert into the integer, as number of dots will be in some counter. So we know that it is a numerical variable, integer variable. So we will convert it into integer while doing the pre-processing part. So that finally, it's worth mentioning that Pandas has extensive documentation and a large community of users. So you can you can visit the website, that is pandas.pydata.org, and you can visit the documentation part, and there you can see how to install pandas, and using conda or package manager. And these are some frequently asked questions, that is like what kind of data does pandas handle. So you can see here that uh, pandas handle tabular type of data, such as the data that is stored in spreadsheets or databases or pandas. Then you can use pandas for that. And if you want to save that, you want to import the data, then read underscore file type. Otherwise, if you want to export that data frame into some kind of file, then you can use df.to underscore csv, as we have done it here, df.to underscore csv and automobile.csv. And if don't forget to do the index equal to false, because what it does, that it creates an column that is unnamed 0 or unnamed 1. And this is kind of this includes the index of the data frame. So don't forget to put the index is equal to false here. And there are several kind of things you can do with the pandas, that is plotting data visualization and creating new columns from existing columns, doing the calculation over the between two features or only one feature. This is we will discuss it in the next video. And that's it for this video. You now know that pandas is, and what pandas is, and how to install it on your computer. Thanks for watching, and happy coding. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel if you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.